Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back if this is not your first time to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now we're doing a series on the sitting them where Jesus did teach. And if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language, then do me a favor, click the like button, leave a comment on the video here. Share it with as many people as you can. And of course, if you don't do it yet, now at the best time, if you click the subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell, because that way there, every time we put up a new video, you're gonna get notified. Yeah, new video come out 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goff.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Matthew chapter 17 from verse 17 to verse 21. Jesus say, "Unu people will live in at that time here. Unu no believe and unu no do what unu fi do. How much longer me have to tanya with unu? How much longer me have to put up with unu? Carry the boy come to me." Jesus run out the demon and it come out of the boy. The pitney get better from that time there. Then him follower them come to him one side and say, we couldn't run out the demon. So him said to them, say, cause uno ne really believe, say God would have do it. Here when me I say, and I true me attack. If uno believe even for little bit, little like the little seed them, uno we say to the mountain here, move from here so go this so, and it move. Nothing about where uno na go can do. A God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.